Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solution Tutorials. I'm thrilled to have you join us today for an exciting journey through the functionalities and benefits of Proofhub, a leading project management and team collaboration tool. First, let's understand what Proofhub is all about. Proofhub is designed to streamline the way teams work together. It's a central place where you can manage projects, team, and communications. And whether you are working in a small group or a big or larger organization, Proofhub's versatilities make it ideal choice for various projects needs. To start, we will go to the official website of proofhub.com. And then to sign up, we click on Start Your Free Trial. So you'll have a free trial, and if you like the platform, you can sign for a paid plan. So here, you'll be asked to add your name, your email, your password, your company name, your phone number, and a URL or link to your profile on proofhub.com. So when you sign up, it is a 14-day free trial with all features, and no credit card is required, no contract, and limited users and projects. You will be asked to answer some other questions like what you and your team are currently working on, and are you working on a team or an organization, and stuff like that. Once you're done, you'll be directed to your dashboard. So you have an overview, discussions, tasks, Gantt representation, a calendar, your notes, your files, and timing. And here you'll have your home page, your project, and everything that happening around the world with your team. And here you can have your reports and people. So let's get started. So when you click on your home page and then click on My Task, there where you can check your task. So you have to create a workflow. For example, let's choose a basic workflow. And like this, you're gonna be representing your tasks. So to do task and the task that you've done and finished. Same thing when you click on My Event and Milestones. Here you can find all the events that will happen in this week or that happened before. And if you click on My Log Time, it will tell you when you are logged and when you finished your task, when you added the task. So this is like an activity schedule. And for your activities, here you will see all the things that you did on the platform. So for example, you added a list of tasks, you assigned people to your projects, and things like that. So for example, if we click on this plus icon, you'll be able to do a quick add for a project, a template, a topic, a task, an event, a note, or a time. So let's click on add a tasks. So here you'll have to select your project. So it is the project that the task will be belonging to, and then you have to select your task list. So list of tasks, and give it a title, for example task 1, and a description. After that, you add your starting time and your ending time. You can also add labels, for example high, which means it is an important task, in progress, which means you're working on it, low, it's not that important, and medium. You can also assign people, your teammate, to this task, and that by clicking on assign and click on all people, or you can add the people that you want to. You can also add an estimated time for the task, like for example 1 hour or 13 minutes or something like that, and then you click on update. And just like that, we click on add and we added a task. So if we go back to our home page and we click on my task, and then you click on table view, you'll find the list of all of your tasks. And here is the task that we added. Now for example, let's add a project. We click on the plus icon and then project. We will have to give it a name, for example sales, and a description. We can also assign people, and we can add the project manager. So you're gonna choose a project manager from your teammates. And same thing, you'll need to give it a starting date and an ending date. Then you click on next. And as you can see here, you can enable your project to be shown on your overview, on your discussion, your task, your Gantt, your calendar view, or your notes, and etc. Then you just click on add and your project is added. So after you create your project, you'll be able to add tasks to this project. So you click on add list, and just like we did before, you add your task. So you create a list of tasks, and that by giving it a name and associate a workflow and clicking on add. And as you can see, here is your list. So if you want to add a task, you click on add tasks and you write it or a description, the name, then description task for sales, for example, and it is added. If we click, for example, on Gantt, here you can add also a list of tasks for your Gantt presentation, and then after you create this list, you can add tasks to it. And for example, if we add this task right here and we give it a period of time, then it will be shown in your Gantt presentation. Now, let's go back and click on the plus icon and add a template. So you can easily add a template, and you also put the necessary informations, and then you click on save or add. If you want to add a topic, you click on the plus icon, topics, and then you will have to choose the project, then a title for your topic, and after that a description. After you put your description, you can add a subscriber, so you can add your teammates and click on add. And just like that, your topic is added. And if you want to view it, you click on view, and here is your topic. So for each topic, you can add people to edit it, or you can write a comment about it. So it is the same principle for adding an event, adding a note, or adding a time. And we have also here announcement. So if we click on announcements, you have to add the name of the announcement, a description, and then the people that you want to send the announcements to. After that, you can decide how many time or how much time the announcement will be kept. So, or you can schedule for the future. So you click on schedule for future and you choose your date. So it's gonna arrive like a notification for the people that you're gonna add to subscribers. And then you click on add. And if you wanna view it, you click on view, and here is your announcement. Also, we have this option, which is everything. And it means if you want to see your global task and everything you added, so for example, before that, we could see the task of each project individually. So everything will let you see the task for all the projects and everything you did in one view. So if we click here, the task, and we add an overflow for a view, you can see all the tasks for sales, for marketing. We also have here reports. So if you click on reports, you can check all the projects reports. So when you click on it, you can check the activity of your project. You can see also your project's category and how much category you have. And here you can see the status of each project and the starting date and the due date. It's like an insight for your projects. Finally, when you click on people, you'll be able to add your teammates. So you go right here and you click on add. To add someone, you have to add their first name, then you add their last name, their email, and their title. So what is the title of or the role of this person? Then you give them access role. So is it an admin or a normal user? And you select a group for them. So for each project, you can create a group, a marketing group, sales group, etc. And when you click on next, you can create a password for the person, or you can let them create their password. You can also add their profile picture and the language and the time zone, and yeah, after that you just click on add and your team member is added to the list. Thank you for watching. See you next time.